Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you what Aircela is and how to use it to explore breakthrough carbon-neutral e-fuel technology without diving into demos or complex setups. Aircela is a climate tech startup that builds compact solar-powered direct air capture systems, or DAC, capable of extracting carbon dioxide from ambient air and converting it into carbon-neutral fuels like methanol or even jet fuel. To begin, visit aircela.com and check out their Meet the Machine and How It Works pages. They explain their refrigerator-sized units and provide clear visuals on fuel synthesis using air, water, and renewable electricity. Next, dive into their science section or patent listings to understand the tech. Aircela combines carbon dioxide capture modules with electrolyzers to split water into hydrogen, then synthesizes hydrocarbons via onboard reactors, all powered by green energy. Their work is backed by $5.5 million in funding, including Maersk Growth, and features patented systems designed by a team led by co-founders Eric and Mia Dahlgren. So, how can you use it today? Currently, Aircela is in its field testing phase with small prototype units designed for early adopters. They're not available for consumer purchase, but professionals in the clean tech space can request updates or trial info via their website's contact page. In conclusion, Aircela is a legitimate and innovative company working on turning air into carbon-neutral fuel at a household scale. It's not yet a consumer product, but if you're interested in clean energy tech or industrial decarbonization, keep an eye on their progress and sign up for their newsletter. And that would be all for this review video. Thanks for watching.